Finally, we are arriving in Hiriketiya beach, brother. Look at all the circles. Wow, nice. Okay, bahala inda pulang beach ya.
Hiriketiya is a perfect little beach town on the southern coast of Sri Lanka, known for its pristine waters, great surfing, and laid-back vibes. With tons of artistic touches and small local businesses, this beach has a magical feel. It actually reminded us a bit of Rincon Beach in Puerto Rico, which has always been one of our favorite spots. There were so many different cute cafes, shops, and restaurants. We wished we had time to explore each and every one of them.
Hiriketiya beach. We came to the quietest spot. There's Machan place here. This is the more quieter beach. It's crowded. You can see people lying around. Got my flip flops. Hi Arabella. Hi Mom.
Hiriketiya Beach is in the shape of a horseshoe, and we saw that one side was really full, so we decided to drive up the hill a little bit and down to the other side, where we found a virtually empty beach. This was really paradise. The waters are clean and easy for the family to swim in, and there's a beautiful backdrop of thick jungle behind you. We had the best time playing in the calm waves and digging up seashells. We even found a sand dollar.
Hi. Smile. No smile. She found it. Show me. It's like a moon. jungly, huh? Something about Hiriketiya. Lion Stout, Bunny. It's Sri Lankan Lion Stout, y'all. Hey. Off Nilwella. These boats travel all the way to the Mediterranean Sea, all the way to Iran. It's the fishing industry of Sri Lanka.
After our morning walk around the town and getting our swim time in, we got in the car and drove a little further south to Nilwella Fishery Harbour. This is a major hub for Sri Lankan fishing boats. Everything was so colorful and fun to look at. We even met with a fisherman who told us how they take these boats all the way to Dubai, Seychelles, Morocco, and more, sometimes taking months at a time per trip. He told us that Sri Lankans used to regularly sail to Somalia as well, but had to stop because of a growing pirate problem, and said he himself had a narrow escape with a pirate encounter. Seeing this harbor and hearing first-hand stories from the fishermen made this such a memorable experience.
Just arriving at this sacred beach, Nilwella, no? Nilwella. Nilwella.
Just a stone throws away from the harbor, you find Blue Beach, which is essentially a big sandbar leading up to a park area, with people swimming on either side. Lots of families were playing music and bringing picnics to enjoy inside the park. We bought some local short eats from the pond van, with Arabella opting for a sweet jam bun, and the rest of us trying the delicious spicy buns. And of course, we couldn't resist jumping in the waters for another swim.
Nilwella means Blue Beach. Hi. There's a restaurant, Blue Beach Island Cafe. Blue Beach Island Cafe. You can get beer or whatever. Come. Hi, Billy. Hi, Billy. Go in. How deep is it? I think it's snorkel here. Oh, it's nice, they got trees up there. Oh, it's not deep. It's not deep.
The sand right here, you like
They have some nice shells. To the next. To the next beach. It's beautiful. Arabella has a talent.
Alright, let's go.
Finding shells.
Thanks so much for watching, and please make sure to subscribe and see all the other Travel Buddies adventures. This is just the beginning.